Hi, I am Indrajit Tarnar. I have created the Django project as per requirements and I am here to demo it. First, let's try the Get API for seeing all employees without the JWT token. See, without the token, we are unable to access it. Now, let's create a token. Token, and inside the body part, we will give username is root admin and password is admin. Okay, now we got the token. We will be using this token for testing all of the other all of the other requests. Now I have pasted the token and let me try again. Okay, now the it is showing all of the results that we want. Now let's see the post API for creating a new employee. I have given the JSON input here and I have given the authorization token here. Now let's see. As you can see, the employee has been created successfully. Now let's check if we send the same request again, it will detect the duplicate email or not. As you can see, the it has already shown employee with this email already exists. Next, we will try out the get API for listing all the employees. Here we can see that all of the results are available with the count of 31. Next is given and the previous result is a previous link, and the results are given in an array of dictionaries. So what you can see here is the paginated result that we have. So moving on to the next, mm, we have uh, filter filtering department by HR. So sending this request. Here the count is only 16. The previous one was 31. So we have successfully filtered the department-wise HRs. Now let's try finding an employee by an ID. If an employee exists by that ID, we will get a result like this. If an employee does not exist by that ID, we will get an employee not found message. Now I am going to update this the employee we just saw from developer to manager. First, let's just see that employee again. So this is that employee. I'm going to change the role from developer to manager. Okay, as you can see, the role has been changed from developer to manager. That updates our employee. Now let's try deleting this employee. We will change the request to delete and send. Okay, the employee has been deleted. 204 no content. Let's try sending that one more time. Now the employee doesn't exist, so it should show 404 not found, employee not found. Now we are going to go through the code. So here is the models that I have created. This is the department's choice, roles choice, and ID. It doesn't matter if we give it explicitly. Django already has the default field, the name, email, department, role, date joined. I have given the required constraints here. Uh, Date joined is auto now add. Role is given these choices and it can allow blank and null to be true. Same case for the departments as well. And email must be unique. Then maximum length is specified for name. And so that is the model. Now let's look at the serializer. This is the class employee serializer. Inheriting from model serializer. The fields are given, model is given, and this is validation for name. For the name cannot be empty, and validation for email. This this one we have given it like this for not triggering an error while updating. Uh, we can also choose to not give this here because the model level validation we have given unique is equal to true, so the duplicate check will automatically happen there itself, but I have just given it here also. Same case for name 2. Now we will walk through the test file. This file contains automated API tests for the project. In the setup method, I first create a test user and generate a JWT access token by calling the token endpoint. I then attach this token to the test client so that all requests are authenticated. I also create a sample employee object that is reused across multiple test cases. The first test verifies that authentication is enforced by ensuring unauthenticated requests return 401 unauthorized. Here you can see. And now I test the employee creation and confirm that a valid request returns 201 created. Now this test lists the employee and expects the status to be 200. Okay. Now uh, the test for getting an employee and similarly other tests as well to delete pagination, etc. So we will run these tests. So we are running the test. All of the test cases that we have created have been passed. So that's it for the demo of our project. Thank you.